Albert.
Ay, iba naman ang energy talaga ni Chickeness. Albert Abilito.
Yes.
Albert, you've seen the episode, couple of episodes last night, right? Andun ka, hindi ka nanood? Go ahead.
Of ano? Probinsyano.
Gusto niya next
Last question.
Ay, ikaw ba? Makadeclare ka ha? Justin siya na ba yung last? Yay! We're good. And then we're doing
Quick lang daw. Okay, sige. Last na lang. For Seth Drea. Kasi parang, I mean, it's no secret na this could potentially your last project together. But
potentially, di ba? Na ano, di ba?
Yeah, but after watching yung parang first 2 episodes last night, and then parang knowing na parang during that time, during that shoot, you were going through something together. Ano yung na-feel ninyo watching everything that you've done through to this project? And would you consider this a good parting gift na rin to your fans?
Sa Drea Prangkahan, sayang, may ganon. Kami, we were watching it. Diba? Ganon, diba? Parang last na, pero to answer Kuya Alberts.
Ako din naman, naramdaman ko din naman po yun after watching it. Hindi ko naman po i-deny. As in, nagkaroon din ako ng moment, sayang naman.
Ang husay you together.
But not the relationship naman talaga. Kasi hindi ko yun mapipilit. Wala ko sa kamay ko yun.
Nasa kamay ni Chika.
Actually, alam mo, high school yung feels natin. Nakikimarites, oh.
Actually,
tingnan mo yung upuan nila sa likod, oh. Lumapit sa harapan.
Go ahead.
Barkada nga to. Okay, go ahead.
Pero at the same time, masaya din ako at proud ako na ito yung, kung ito man po ang magiging last project ng Seth Drea, masaya ako na ito yon. Kasi napakaganda po talagang proyekto ito at alam kong ginalingan ho talaga namin. At masaya ako na ito yung, kung ito man yung last nilang mapapanood, masaya ako na ito yung mabibigay namin gift sa Seth Drea fans ho namin.
I wanna say, last project for now.
Yeah.
Diba? We can never...
Kasi for sure, there will be next.
Yes
True.
po.
There will be next.
Tsaka kung magkaka-season 2 man po. No, direct.
Bahala ka dyan.
Oo.
Pero dagdagan ko, in fair, alam naman kasi namin yung situation ng Seth Drea while we were filming the shoot.
Talaga, direct alam mo yung...
Alam naman ng lahat. Hindi na namin nag-uusapan, pero alam namin. Hindi, pero sobra, in fairness naman sa dalawang ito, kahit na meron silang pinagdadaan ng iba, na hindi maganda sa kanila. Pagdating naman sa set, professional sila enough na hindi nila pinararamdam or hindi nila pinapakita na ito yung pinagdadaanan namin. Kumbaga parang, kasi syempre marami nagtatanong, sayang kasi maganda talaga, honestly, maganda talaga yung chemistry ng dalawa.
At saka hindi ko nakita direct sa episodes na may pinagdadaanan
diba? Ganun sila ka into the characters of Lyric and Beat. Hindi sila as Andrea or as Seth. Wow. Yung dalawang characters ng yun. At kasi syempre meron silang mga nakakakilig na mga eksena na minsan isip mo bawal gawin kasi may ganito na silang ibang, di ba, karelasyon, di ba? Pero ginawa pa rin nila. Kung ano man yun. Wow! Hindi, pero di ba, bakit ka nag-ganito?
Tama ka.
Tama na sinasabi ko.
Ako gusto ko rin na tama po lahat ng sinabi ng director namin.
Wala namang kumukontra.
Siya lang ako.
Sino ba kausap mo dyan?
At yun nga, ako nung pinanood ko siya kahapon, nung sa...
Parang gusto mo pang
sa
another one.
Hindi, sinabi ko talaga sa kanya. Sabi ko, ang galing. Sabi ko.
Totoo.
Sinabi ko talaga sa kanya. And nagulat din ako. Nagulat ako dahil kami yung talagang may alam kung anong nangyari. Pero nakita ko dun parang kadenang ginto ata itong pinapanood ko. Yung parang yung film niya, yung pakiramdam niya as Mikoy and Marga, pero alam mo yung first time namin yung trabaho.
Parang raw na raw yung mga ano.
Sabi ko parang,
Meron talaga.
Kasi andun.
Nagpaswap ka ba? Okay ka lang ba?
Nagpaswa.
Okay.
Makatawa naman to si
Oo.
Kyle Chari, di ba? Oo, parang
Kanina
kinikilig
pa.
din.
Hindi, pero tama po yung sinabi din ni Kuya Robby na for now. Kasi,
So, kumakapit ka pa rin. You're holding on to that promise na sana mangyari ulit.
yung
Magkatrabaho ulit. Not soon, pero mangyayari.
sino pa naman po ako para tumanggi? Yun lang po yung sagot ko Kuya Robby. At ang lead lang po ng ABS.
For now, let's just enjoy, di ba?
Yeah. Yung ngayon po. So, abangan na lang po nila yung more episode.
Alam mo, on the contrary, na sinabi niyo walang pinagdadaanan, na-feel ko mayroon. Kasi lahat sila may pinagdadaanan, teaser trailer pa lang, and they are really into their characters. Kaya, ang bigat nung, ang galing actually nung mga naipakita niyo, maliban sa mga performances, looking forward to the stories doon sa Lyric and Beat. And I think that's it for Chickanes. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
po.
po.
EJS, are you
Actually,
having more
before
questions?
I closing, I'd like to thank a lot of people. First off, our business unit head, Ms. Carl de la Merced. Ms. Carl, thank you.
Yes!
Love you, Mark.
Thank you. And your team.
Love you,
Ms.
Carl.
Kim Felipe. Ms. Kim, thank you. Aileen Yanko. Thank you.
I love you.
Yes. At the Hanuman from the Dreamscape. And Von, thank you. And your team, thank you. Mark Pelovero, thank you.
Thank you
So,
so
this is
much.
how you end the show, with the mic drop. Okay, Andrea, please invite everyone.
Bago ko po kayo invite, syempre gusto ko po magpasalamat for your time na pumunta ho kayo dito at maraming salamat din po for your wonderful questions. So gusto ko ho kayong imbitahan na panoorin po of course ang Lyric and Beat ngayong August 10 na ho yan, exclusively on I Want TFC. Maraming salamat po.
Yun mga kapamilya,
Rinig ka, may mic ka, bro.
mga kapamilya, abangan po natin to, gaya po ng sinabi ni Andrea. Abangan nyo po ang Lyric and Beat. Sa I Want TFC po yan, August 10. And yun po, gusto ko rin magpasalamat syempre sa ABS-CBN Dreamscape. Sa mga kasama namin doon, kay Direk, kay Sir Jonathan, ayun, Arek D. And sa mga taong kasama namin sa set, si Ate Kimi, Ate Eileen, Mami Kat, si Mama Carl nandyan. Hello po sa inyo, kay Sir Deo, kay Direk Loren, kay Ma'am Cory. Maraming salamat po dahil pinagkatiwala niyo itong proyektong to sa amin. So, yun po. Maraming salamat mga kapamilya. Abangan niyo po to, Lyric and Beat.
Definitely. At syempre, nare-rehearse na nga ni Mama Loy yung ibang mga performances ninyo. Mama Loy, maraming salamat sa pagpunta rito. And you can ask the questions later on sa ating mga booths, okay? We give the mic right now kay AC.
Thank you po, Kuya Robby.
AC,
Nagulat po kasi ako. I want to thank you for your time din po ulit for being here. We've done multiple vlog guns na po, but you guys are always here. Thank you so much po. Lyric and Beat coming out this August 10 po on I Want TFC with all of us and so much more. Thank you po, Direk, Sir Jonathan, everyone who is part of the cast. We've become such a big family, kaya maraming salamat po.
Yeah. Darren.
Yes, of course, Lyric and Beat exclusively streaming on I Want TFC. Maraming salamat po. Again, to everyone watching on our live stream, thank you so much. To our vloggers here, to the whole crew behind Dreamscape, of course, again, Direk and Sir Jonathan, maraming salamat po sa tiwala ninyo. We hope that you enjoy the series as much as we enjoyed filming it. And again, this is 20 years worth of music from Sir Jonathan Manalo. I hope you guys can sing and dance along to us wherever you may be streaming it around the world. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. Once again, this is exclusively streaming sa ating I Want TFC August 10 Lyric and Beat. Maraming salamat po. And on behalf of Sir Jonathan Manalo, Direk Dolly, and the cast of this wonderful series, I say thank you.
Abangan nila yung theme song ng Lyric and Beat will be released on Friday.
This Friday!
So
Walk on the
everyone,
sound.
all of the cast are singing, di ba, sa Friday. And then, the full soundtrack will drop dun sa week ng first episode, August 12 on Spotify worldwide.
Ayan, no?
Memorize yun yung mga kanta.
And
At least you have to mark those dates sa inyong mga kalendaryo. Bakit, AC?